Do you have obstacles with your current supply base? Viking Plastics can help. Viking Plastics was approached by a customer who was looking to quickly transfer a significant number of tools to a new supplier. There were 16 tools and 25 different part numbers. The parts needed to be sampled and sent into production immediately. The Viking Plastics team in Scottsburg, Indiana collaborated and executed the mold transfer. The tools arrived to the Viking Plastics facility and all of them were sampled within 8 days. Customer approvals and process limits were established. There were a few tools where improvements were needed, and Viking was able to make the repairs at our tooling facility and meet all expectations. In addition, our experienced process engineering group were able to establish molding machine parameters to ensure quality products. These 16 tools were in addition to the 2 tools moved in June to Viking Plastics by this customer. The tools arrived at the facility at 7 p.m. and parts were shipped by 4 a.m. At Viking Plastics, we are your partner for any obstacle.